What are some ways that you can personalize your stair lift for your own needs? I'm Matt Capelle from Bruno Independent Living Aids, and today we're going to talk about those options. Mr. Stairlift. There are many customizable options available for your Bruno Stairlift, and today we'll walk through many of them. One of the big things on a Bruno Stairlift is the ability to fold it up and make use in the staircase. In order to do that on a standard stairlift, you simply have to fold up all the components, but you have to bend over in order to fold up the footrest. And an option would be to order a power folding footrest. And how that works is you simply pull up on the bottom of the seat, and under power, the footrest would fold neatly out of the way and give you full access to the staircase without having to bend over. Another comfortable feature that many people choose to add to their stairlift is a power swivel seat. At the top of the staircase, on a standard stairlift, you simply would push a lever and manually have to swivel the seat 90 degrees to exit the stairlift at the top. Some people find that a little uncomfortable or challenging, and so they can opt for a power swivel seat, which all you have to do is press a button and the unit will swivel under power for ease of use. One more consideration on the Bruno stairlifts, or any stairlift for that matter in your home, is the rail obstruction at the bottom of the staircase. As the rail gets installed, as you can see, it protrudes a little bit past the end of the first step. In some applications and in some homes, it's imperative to get that rail out of the way. Maybe you have a doorway at the bottom, a closet door at the bottom, and it's causing a little bit of a blockage to your normal use of your home. We have options available, either a power folding or a manual folding rail. Today I'll show you the power folding rail, where all you do is press a button and the rail will fold to get out of the way and thus clear the space at the bottom of the staircase for any kind of movement or access to any areas. So these are some of the ways that you can customize your Bruno stairlift, but your Bruno dealer also has other options that can make your home more accessible and make it easy for you to use your stairlift.